Bonjour tout le monde. Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is really, really easy. Here are all of the nouns that we've learned so far, and we need to make these nouns plural. Currently, they're singular, so le café, just one coffee shop, l'ami, one friend. And I want to instead say the coffee shops or the friends, plural. Now, to do that, I have to change both parts of this noun. I have to change the definite article, the le, la, or L apostrophe. That has to become plural. And then I also have to change the noun itself, like actrice, amie, chanteuse. And it's really easy to make these words plural. We learned le is masculine and la is feminine. Les, L-E-S, les, is plural. So les cafés are the coffee shops or the cafes, and les bibliothèques are the libraries. Notice I don't hear the S letter on the end of les, and I also don't hear the S on bibliothèque, but I can hear it's plural if I'm a good close listener. La bibliothèque is one. Les bibliothèques is more than one. Le café is the coffee shop. Les cafés is the coffee shops, plural. So most nouns, you just add an S to the end of the word, and then you change le, la, or L apostrophe to les. For example, la télévision is the TV. Les télévisions with two S's that you can't really hear. Those are the TVs, plural. Now, sometimes you can hear the S when you have a word that starts with a vowel. So l'objet is the object, just one. Les objets are the objects, plural. Remember we did an L apostrophe to make the word sound flowy and smooth. You would say l'objet instead of le objet. Same thing here. Instead of les objets, we're going to say les objets. So in between that letter S and that vowel sound O, we're going to have a Z sound to bring them together. This is part of what makes French sound so flowy and smooth and beautiful. Les objets. One little extra thing, there are more irregular plurals, kind of like how there's irregular plurals in English. Mouse becomes mice, woman becomes women. There are some of these in French too. For example, words that end in EAU, masculine words that end in EAU, get an X on the end instead of an S. So the word bureau, the desk, le bureau is the desk. Les bureaux, with a silent X, you don't hear it, is the desks, plural. One other example that's not on our list, but just to show you, l'animal is the animal. AL words also do this AUX rule. So animals are les animaux, animals. So here's our whole list made into the plural. Les acteurs, les amis, les chanteurs, les étudiants, les petits amis, les professeurs, here are the feminine ones, les actrices, les amis, les chanteuses, les étudiantes, les petites amies, les personnes, and a few more, les cafés, les lycées, les examens, les problèmes, les bureaux, les ordinateurs, les tableaux, les objets, les bibliothèques, les librairies, les universités, les différences, les sociologies, les tables, les télévisions, les choses. Did you hear the Z on all the vowels? Les amis, les universités. If you're doing it right, you will hear that Z sound in front of plurals that start with a vowel. One last little thing to point out that's kind of interesting. If you have boys and girls in a mixed gender group and you're trying to decide, so let's say friends, les amis, do I want this word ami to have an E in it or not? If it's all girls, yes, you want the E in there. But if there's at least one boy in the group, so if it then becomes mixed gender, you make the whole word masculine. So this example down below, les amis, this group of friends, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 girls. Girls are the majority here. But since these two guys are in there, we're going to make it les amis, masculine, plural. That's just the way it is. It's kind of crazy. You could have a whole room of girls, and have it be a feminine group. One guy walks in, boom, now it's a masculine plural group. That's crazy. I think that that is it. So we have 4 definite articles now. We have le, masculine singular, la, feminine singular, L apostrophe for singular words that start with a vowel, and then anything that's plural becomes les livres, les maisons, les arbres, les écoles. Merci for watching all of this. Hopefully now you know how to make nouns plural.